All right, we have a 2014 Corvette. I'm going to show you today how to program a Genie garage door opener on one side of the house and a Liftmaster on the other side. This is how you program your car to two separate motors. Okay? Always, you have to reset your settings inside your car on your buttons. So let's go ahead and reset these two buttons here. I'm going to hold the first and the third. First and third, I'm going to hold them down. Okay. Now you're going to get a light right on the inside there. You're going to hold this down until that light starts flashing, giving you an indicator that we are all reset. Hold it down. There we go. So we are officially reset. We can let go. Now we're going to start by programming the first garage, which is a Genie on the left side. Homeowner wants the first button programmed. So what you have to do in this case, you have to hold down your garage door button for that door and the button you want to program in your car at the same time, holding them close to each other until you get a light pattern that changes here. So here we go. Here we go. Holding it down, we got a slow strobe. Door's moving. Holding it down. Now we got a fast strobe. I can let go. This remote is now programmed to this car. Let's go press our learn button now on the garage. All right, this is the Genie Pro Max. Press the learn button right here. Go back to your car. All you're going to do now is hold down that first button that you programmed. Hold it, let go. Hold it again, let go. Hold it again. It's programmed. All right, let's program the second door, which is the Liftmaster. The homeowner wants a third button. This has got the Genie. We're gonna do a Liftmaster here. So hold this button and this button down at the same time. 1, 2, 3. There it is, door's moving. Wait for the light pattern to change from slow to fast. There it is. Let go. Go press the learn button on your motor. All right, you're gonna go ahead and press your learn button on your motor, right there. And then immediately get back to your car. All right, we press the learn button on the Liftmaster. Come back into the car, we're gonna hold this button down, third one. Hold it, let go, hold it again. Door is moving. If I hold it again, it stops. Hold it again, it comes down. There. This is how you program a 2014 Corvette. I'm not sure what the other models are. They may be similar. You can follow these steps if you need to, or always check your user's manual. Thank you.